Hello everyone, welcome to the Educom Community Database Management System Learning Series. In the previous video, I have said that there are four types of relationship that exist between the entities. Those are binary relationship, unary relationship, recursive relationship, and ternary relationship. So the first one is binary relationship. It means the relation between the two entities, like here also teacher and student. Teacher teaches student. It is also the binary relationship. And here also student enroll the course. It is also binary relationship. But binary relationship can be classified into three types. First one is one to one. Next one is one to many. Next one is many to one. Means one we can do it that one to many or many to one. We can put these two into one category. And the next one is many to many. So if we consider these 2 and 3 in the separate manner, then it can be divided into four types. But when we can assume that one to many or many to one, then it is of three types. So first one is one to one, means the relationship is rarely seen in the world, and there are one entity and another entity, but one student can enroll in one course. So it is one to one. Okay. So one student can enroll only for one course, and a course will be also have only one student. This is not what you will usually seen in this relationship. So it is very rare, as many students enroll for a course, like many students enroll for BTech course. Okay. Then next one is one to many. It is very general, like I have said in previous, that many student or one student can enroll in many course, or many student can enroll in one course. Like one student can enroll in BTech, also other virtual courses in separate institutes. So this is type of one to many. And when many students enroll for one course, like many students enroll for the BTech, this is many to one. So one to many reflects business rule that one entity is associated with many number of same entity. The example for this relationship might sound a little weird, but this means that one student can enroll to many courses, but one course will have one student. Now next one is many to many. When many students enroll for many courses, this is the many to many. Next type is unary relationship. A unary relationship is when both participants in the relationship are the same entity. Okay. It is one type of example that subject is prerequisites for subject. Another, another also can be that a person marries, okay, marries is here relationship. A person marries a person. Okay. So here male and here female. But both are the person. Both are persons. Okay. So it is also a type of unary relationship. Now next one is recursive relationship. Recursive relationships occur within unary relationships. Means recursive relationship is the subset of the unary relationships. When an entity is related with itself, it's called the recursive relationship. The relationship may be one to one or one to many or many to many. That is the cardinality of the relationships is unary. The it can be represented as 1 is to 1, 1 is to m, or m is to n. M is to an unary relationship. A subject may have many other subjects, like for the computer science engineering. This subject, there are many subjects like artificial intelligence, software engineering, database management system, network, cyber security, then machine learning, deep learning, etc. So we can put it here, the machine learning is prerequisite for machine learning. Okay, or as we can assume that the deep learning is prerequisite of machine learning, but you can that machine learning or deep learning are the part of the data science. Okay, so they are need for each other. So this is the M is to N type relationship. Okay, M is to N type unary relationship. Now 1 is to M type unary relationship. When an employee may manage many employees, but an employee is managed by only one employee. Okay. And next one is unary relationship. A person may be married to only one person, which I have told in previous here. Like a man is married to a woman, but both are person. So this is 1 is to 1 type unary relationship. Now next one is ternary relationship. A ternary relationship is when three entities participate in this relationship. Relationship of degree 3 is called ternary relationship. Suppose here course, CST, subject, teacher. The university might need to record which teachers taught which subjects in which courses. Okay, so for computer science engineering course, course there will be subjects of computer science engineering and teachers also connected with each. Teachers also teach CSC subjects and there are courses in the subjects of CSC. So this is a type of ternary relationship. So thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe as much as possible for getting the further videos. Thank you.